In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a Glide app from scratch. First, open your browser and head to Glide. Sign into your account so your work is saved and accessible across devices. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click on Apps. This is your workspace hub. From here, select New App to start building. You'll be prompted to choose how you want to begin. You can start from a template if you want a ready-made structure to customize. Pick a basic app for a straightforward default layout, or go with a blank app if you prefer full control from the ground up. You can also connect to a data source like Google Sheets or Airtable, which is great if you already have your data organized. After you decide what fits your project, click Create App. The editor is where your app comes to life. Begin with layout to change your app's style. Adjust the look and feel, things like color, typography, and navigation, so it matches your brand and makes sense for your users. Keep an eye on the preview to see how your changes affect both mobile and desktop screens. Next, go to Data to edit titles, descriptions, and images. This is where you set the content your users will actually see. Use clear labels, concise text, and optimized images for faster loading and a more polished feel. If your app is connected to a sheet or Airtable, updates there will reflect in your app. Move on to components to add interactive elements like buttons, forms, and maps. Drag and drop what you need, then configure each component so it displays the right data and behaves the way you want. Tie important actions to these components. For example, set up actions that allow users to add, edit, or delete items, making your app dynamic and useful. If you need guidance at any point, click Chat with Agent for AI assistance. It's a helpful way to troubleshoot or explore options without digging through menus. When your structure and content look good, click Settings. Here, update your app name and icon to match your purpose. Fine-tune appearance for consistent branding, and review access settings to control who can open or sign into your app. Finally, head to the top right corner and click Publish. Glide will generate a shareable link for your app. Copy that link and share it with your audience. And that's it. You've built, customized, and published a Glide app, ready for users to explore.